In everyday life, the word domain means an area or space. In math, it kind of means something similar. When it comes to math, a function's domain is the set of all possible inputs, which we usually use x to represent. In other words, which numbers could you replace x with and the equation would still work and produce an output? Here are a few examples. If f of x equals x squared, the domain of f of x is all real numbers. Let's only consider real inputs and outputs for now. I could input any real number for x, and an output would be calculated by squaring that number. If f of x equals 1 divided by x, the domain of f of x is anything but 0, since we can't divide by 0 in math. There wouldn't be an output. If f of x equals the square root of x, the domain of f of x is all numbers greater than or equal to 0, because we can't take the square root of a negative number and have a real output. If f of x equals sine x, the domain of f of x is again all real numbers. So what other functions can you think of?